Alright folks, Paulie here in the Detmerd's kitchen, and today we're going to watch a movie. Actually, it's tonight. We're going to watch a movie. Little lady's already got the TV on. I think she's turning the volume down right now. But what do you want with the movie? You want popcorn. So what are we going to do? We're going to do some of this Orville Reedenbacher's popcorn. Let's get it going. Let's give it a little pour. Yeah, let's get some in there. Maybe I put a little bit too much in there. I don't think that's a showstopper, but let's see how it goes. We're gonna go sear and saute. I don't want to close this lid of the Ninja. We're just gonna put this lid from my Tefal pan that fits perfectly on to the Ninja. Now we wait. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to let it cook. That's it. She really is watching a movie. I wasn't joking. While little lady watches the movie in the background, this popcorn started popping in about 4 minutes and 45 seconds. And there's the action, the popcorn action of the Orville Reedenbacher's original popcorn. Oh yes, look at that, filling up nicely. That thing is loading up. Hopefully the lid doesn't come up. We're at 6 minutes 50 seconds. Here on the Paulie Detmerd's channel. Paulie Detmerd's can also be found on Rumble, Instagram, and yes, Facebook. How to make popcorn in a Ninja has just been shared. Let's pull this baby out. Bye-bye, Ninja. Oh my goodness, look at that greatness. You know what? It only needs one thing. I'm not putting no butter on this stuff. Sorry about the noise in the background of the little lady's movie, but that she's going to make me watch. But there's only one thing we need to add to this, and that is Heath Riles barbecue and grilling garlic jalapeno rub. That is going to be some good stuff inside of this popcorn. I think little lady just turned up the volume of that movie, but I'm going to turn up some flavor in this popcorn. Let's give it some shake, shake, shake. Just like the KC and the Sunshine Band back in the 70s. But we just want to get this stuff established in there. That's looking good. Let's go for it.
You can see whether he's married, right? You know, whether there's a wedding. It's not like just
Wow.
firing that distant shape.
Seasoning is applied appropriately and good.
Those faces don't go away. When they come back, please.
Two guys that deserve a lot of credit for this popcorn. Heath Riles and Orville Reedenbacher. Orville Reedenbacher was on my first ship. He came on board. Guess what we made for him? Popcorn. I don't even think it was his brand.
On the bridge, they found them together against the railing, and then they fired a single shot.
It's movie night. I gotta get to the movie. This popcorn's gonna score some brownie points with the little lady. So I gotta get going. So until next time, I'm Paulie. I'm out.